Hello, we are the WordJugglers, two word nerds and a programmer. In this film we would like to show you how you and your students with only a few clicks can create and print high quality exercises that will engage and motivate your students. You'll save time and your students will improve at the same time. Have a look at how simple it is to use the free basic functionality. First you find the category you want by typing a few letters. Then you choose one of the many exercises that you want your students to work with. Finally, you decide whether you want to leave out some of the words from the category before you print the cards. If you want to use all the words, you simply press print and immediately a set of flashcards is printed along with the instructions for the exercise. So in less than 5 seconds, you've prepared 30 minutes worth of engaging teaching materials. Here's an example from a category called American Values that allows students to match word and definition. If the category that you want isn't there, you are very welcome to create it. You do this on the front page. Before you can create your own categories, the program will ask you whether you're a teacher or a student. This is necessary because when you start making your own categories, teachers' categories are placed in the public database for all users to find. Students' categories are reserved for themselves and their own teachers. You can set up as many new categories as you like. You simply type the name of the category on the front page. Then you choose the language that you will use for the category. And you choose the expected level of difficulty. Finally, you start adding each word and definition. Immediately, you can start printing flashcards. You can always find your own categories under your profile in the menu. Here you may add or change words and definitions. Now let's have a look at the advanced features. As a full member, there are various other great features that you can benefit from. You can choose another language than English for the exercise instructions, add words and definitions to existing categories, choose between various card backgrounds, rate categories, add your favorite categories to your profile, and finally you can set up your own classes and let your students create the categories. To choose another language than English for exercise instructions, you simply find your profile in the menu and change the language. As a full member, you can easily improve existing categories by adding words and definitions. In your profile menu, you may also choose your preferred background for the flashcards. You can add your favorite categories to your profile by pressing the heart that is displayed in each category. It will then appear directly under your profile next to the ones that you have created yourself. You can also rate categories. Categories that get low scores will eventually be deleted from the public search area. Finally, you can let your students create their own categories and have their work shown directly under your profile. You simply set up a class in the profile menu and then you attach a student code to each class. You can then give the student code to your students. When the students have logged in as students, they can begin making their own categories. They'll be asked to insert the code. Their work will then be shown directly under their own profile and under your profile. We are certain that you and your students will benefit from using WordJuggle. You can support our mission, which is to provide free teaching materials to teachers and students worldwide. You can do this by donating a small amount, by becoming a full member, or simply by liking our Facebook page and telling your colleagues about WordJuggle.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.